I dream about our babies. Gazing them days and contagious, you're my baby. We know each other like the back of our hands. Understand, there's no mistaking, I'm taking, 'cause you're my drug.
All right. So we're about to check out Michael Franti and Spearhead. The title of this song is "The Sound of Sunshine."
Okay.
The Sound of Sunshine.
Here we go.
Let's check it out.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3.
Oh.
I wake up in the morning at 6 o'clock. They say there may be rain, but the sun is hot. I wish I had some time just to kill today. And I wish I had a dime for every bill I got to pay. Some days you lose, you win, and the water's as high as the time to win. So I jump back in where I learned to swim. Try to keep my head above it the best I can. That's why here I am, just waiting for this storm to pass me by. And that's the sound of sunshine coming down. And that's the sound of sunshine coming down. So my friend Bobby said, what's up, man? You got a little work or 20 to lend? I opened up my hand, he said, I'm glad to see they could take away my job, but not my friends, you see. And here I am, just waiting for this storm to pass me by. And that's the sound of sunshine coming down. And that's the sound of sunshine coming down. Here we go. I wanna go.
Oh.
I'm loving this vibe right here.
I am too, though.
The inspiration with this one, you know what I mean? The motivation, how it just makes you feel good. Again, you know, it's gonna always be cloudy some days. It's gonna rain some days, and it might feel like it rained all day or all week.
Yeah.
Or rain for years of your life, but at some point in time, it's like that sound of sunshine. This is what it sounds like. This is what it feel like.
Yeah.
You know, I'm really enjoying this song right now. Just like the sound and the vibe for what we're doing in the live stream, like for like a Friday vibe. Like this is like that vibe right here when it's like you see that, like you see the sun on the other side of the clouds and that rainbow coming out. That's what I see. That's what I feel as I listen to this song.
Yeah. See, that's what I'm saying. Stacy could be my friend. We will.
Here we go. I wanna go where the summer never ends. With my guitar on the beach there with all my friends. The sun's so hot and the waves in motion, and everything smells like suntan lotion. The ocean and the girl so sweet. So kick off your shoes and relax your feet.
Yeah.
They say that miracles are never ceasing, and every single soul needs a little releasing. The stereo bumper till the sun goes down, and I only wanna hear that sound. Sound of sunshine coming down. And that's the sound of sunshine coming down. Now say you're the one I wanna be with when the sun goes down. You're the one I wanna be with when the sun goes down. Sing, you're the one I wanna be with when the sun goes down. You're the one I wanna be with when the sun goes. That's the sound of sunshine coming down. And that's the sound of sunshine coming down. When the sun goes down, when the sun goes down.
And you know what else is what else too? Just by like just the vibe and everything they talking about in the song too.
Yeah.
This would be a perfect like song when the sun is setting too. When the sun goes down, when the sun is setting, like I see that too. Like it's just visual. Like I'm just like, oh yeah, this got to be one of those ones too. We got to be sitting, laying next to each other, listening to this one right here. Because he said it perfectly. You the one I want to be with when the sun goes down. This is definitely the sun setting.
It definitely gives you like a really uppity feel. Like I feel like this is definitely one of those, you know, mood lifter type of songs. It makes you happy. It almost kind of, you saw you clapping, I'm snapping, you know, moving my head. I know, you know, even to tap your foot a little bit. It just kind of gives you like a very happy, fulfilling feel.
It feels good.
And then to watch, like you said, and perhaps maybe you watching the sunset go down and all that kind of stuff, and it's like, oh, this could be more perfect. Sure. I almost feel like vacation vibe a little bit. Stacey, what you doing?
Seeing the sun setting, like in an island somewhere. Like I mean, obviously that'll be probably the absolute obvious, perfect place to celebrate and listen to this song. But just period, just is one of those vibes. And he's saying when the sun go down, that you the one I want to be laying next with. You the one I want to be experiencing this with.
I feel like the rich are just listening to this like every day. Okay, in the Sunshine State. No, that's Florida. Wait. That's not Hawaii. Wait a minute. Okay, never mind. But yeah.
Exactly. It's just a vibe, and I love like the tempo more than anything. I think it's like that the tempo of it too is definitely like one of those ear catchers.
Yeah.
You know.
That was.
And we've done a few songs by Michael Franti too as well. So it was good revisiting another song from him.
Dust in your body.